Now, before I start the next video, I'd like to show you the view I have from the top of my garden. Fantastic, isn't it? This is what they call a field full of oilseed rape, and eventually from the seeds they'll make a cooking oil. I'll probably be using it one day. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little view from the top of my garden. I enjoy it every day. Anyway, back to the video, and today I'm going to make for you some cheesy scones. They're really delicious. I've made scones before, but I don't think I've ever done these cheesy ones for you. So let's carry on. First of all, I'll show you what we need. Now, as you can see, folks, we don't need much for this recipe that we're going to do today. Just 5 ingredients, that's all. We need 1 ounce of a strong cheddar cheese, 2 ounces of butter, a pinch of table salt, 8 ounces of self-raising flour, and 5 ounces of whole milk. Now, I can clear all these things away and make room for a mixing bowl. Now, to make it easier for me, I'm going to place a piece of damp kitchen towel just here on the work surface. Put the bowl on top of that way it's less likely to slip about. Go in with the flour, in with the butter, in with a pinch of salt. Now we need to rub this together. Try to get plenty of air into the mixture, and we keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. When it looks like this, we can stir in the cheddar cheese. Then we can add our milk and bring this all together until we have a dough. Something like this. Now we can turn this out onto a floured surface. Now we need to roll this out until it's about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch in thickness, and then cut this out with the appropriate sized pastry cutter. I'm going to use this one, 2 1/4 inches. Now when they're all finished like this, we can then put them onto a baking sheet of paper on a baking tray ready for the oven. I'll just put a touch of milk on top of each one just to help brown them off. Then into the oven, gas mark 7, for 12 to 15 minutes until they're well risen and nice and golden. Well, I've had to give them an extra 5 minutes because they didn't go as brown as I wanted. But they're looking good now. Put these onto this wire rack to cool down. But there we go, look. A cheesy scone. I'll cut this one in half and put some butter on. Give it a little try. Really tasty, really cheesy, and I'll eat some more in a minute though. First, let me say thank you very much for joining me on this latest video that I've done, and I hope you enjoy these cheesy scones. Make them for yourself and enjoy. Please join me on all my other videos. Comments down below please, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time.